In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop ads on Google Chrome. We'll go through a clear two-part approach. First, we'll add an ad blocker extension from the Chrome Web Store. Then we'll adjust a few built-in Chrome settings to block intrusive ads, pop-ups, and redirects. Follow along and you'll have a cleaner, less distracting browsing experience in just a few minutes. Start by opening Google Chrome. Click the address bar at the top of the window to highlight it, then type Chrome Web Store and open the official Chrome Web Store page. This is where you can safely install browser extensions. Once you're in the store, use the search bar and type Ad Blocker. You'll see several options. Choose a reputable one by looking at the number of users, ratings, and recent reviews. Take a moment to skim the description so you understand what it does and which permissions it needs. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Chrome will download and enable it automatically. You should see a confirmation and the extension will begin filtering ads as you browse. Next, let's tighten Chrome's own protections. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome to open the menu and select Settings. In the left-hand panel, choose Privacy and Security, then click Site Settings. Scroll down and open Additional Content Settings. Here, select Intrusive Ads. Change the setting so that ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. This built-in safeguard helps cut down on aggressive advertising even without extensions. Go back to the previous menu and open pop-ups and redirects. Set it to Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. This prevents those annoying windows that appear unexpectedly or try to move you to another page without your consent. At this point, your ad blocker extension is running, intrusive ads are blocked by Chrome, and pop-ups and redirects are disabled. If a site you trust needs pop-ups to function, you can allow them just for that site later. Likewise, many creators rely on ads, so consider allowing ads on websites you want to support. Keep your extensions updated, install only what you need, and remove any you don't use to keep Chrome fast and secure. That's it. You've added an ad blocker and configured Chrome to block intrusive ads and pop-ups, giving you a smoother, safer browsing experience. If this helped, feel free to replay any section to double-check your settings and enjoy a cleaner Chrome.